Hey guys, Xavier here. Guys, I'm going to be doing some coaching for the month of August and the month of September. I'm just going to be taking a few people under me, literally a handful. This is for serious inquiries only, guys. Don't waste my time. Don't tell me you don't have any money right now. Don't tell me next month you'll get money. Don't tell me that you have cancer and you're dying. Don't tell me that you got into a car accident and you have to buy parts for your car. I don't want to hear it. Okay. This coaching will cost something, depending on your level of experience. You will be satisfied from the results you get. Okay. If you're a complete total newbie, obviously I'm going to have to charge you more because I'm going to have to walk you through how to set up that, how to set up this, what tools to get. But guys, I specialize in paid traffic, so you will have to buy traffic to get this work. It's not going to cost you a lot. It's not. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg to get started. Let me show you what I've been able to do with ClickBank, and in a total of 15 days. All right. As you can see, I started getting money. And oh, by the way, guys, this is my account, IMX1, as in I am Xavier, which is my name, Xavier. Today's today's date is August 18th. Okay, so let's start over. August 5th, as you can see here. August 6th, 7th, nothing. 7th, I'm sorry, the 8th, a little something something. August 9th, nice chunk. August 10th, 19. 11th, nothing. 12th, another little nice chunk. You know, the 13th, nothing. 14th, a little chunk. 0, 0. And yesterday I nailed 145 with 27 cents, and today almost $200. So in a span of 14, 15 days, I've been able to do $1,100. Okay, and that's almost doing nothing whatsoever. Okay, literally uh, letting this work for me, almost running this on automatic. Okay, I would say 80% of this runs on automatic. Okay, so I know a lot of you must be kind of relieved and thrilled to hear that 80% of this is going to be set on automatic, on set it and forget it. That 20% is not going to cost you anything to actually physically get in there and do a little bit of work, especially if you're getting these kind of results. But as far as what's it going to cost for this coaching, it all depends on your level of skill. Inbox me, guys. Like I said, serious inquiries only. Um, Obviously, you need to have some money to make this work. And yeah, just contact me if you guys are serious about some coaching. And if you want to get started and start making money in a few days from now, realistically, not in a few weeks, not in a few months, not a few years, literally in a few days. All right. So take care, guys, and hopefully I'll see you on the inside.